Right, so today, it's the 2nd of November today, it's the Sunday. We've just got back from the airport where we picked up Jack and Holly because they've now joined us. So we've got, it won't work, not gonna turn around. You can see Jack in the background, but so we're just heading over into the Torreviejas. We're going to Cheesecake, Florida first, where we're going to stop, have a couple of beers, game of pool, and then we're all booked in for the traditional Sunday roast at the Marina Bar. So these guys haven't actually been to the Marina Bar for a Sunday roast, so we thought we'd treat them to one and show them what it's like.
Mine's back.
Yeah. So that was Bar Cheesecake, where we was playing pool. There were certain winners and losers, shall we say. I think it was about 5-0. In fairness, Sarah did pop the black, just not when she was supposed to. So we've just left there, so we're now just having a wander up to go to the Marina Bar and have a Sunday roast. Very British thing to do. Come all the way to Spain for a Sunday roast. Crazy, isn't it? But there we go. It is actually really nice Sunday roast. So we'll show you what we get in a minute. Right, so we're now in the Marina Bar. Everyone is just trying to work out what they want for dinner. So it's going to be a good 3 courses. And probably a little bit of alcohol consumed at the same time. So, right, let's have a look, see what's on the menu.
I don't like pate. Pate, it's like a bit of meat. It's really nice to be fair.
Got to get it.
It's really nice in here. I don't know.
So there's cream of pumpkin soup, seafood cocktail, creamy garlic mushrooms with crusty bread, country pate, brie and peach salad.
Soup would be nice. Yeah.
And then you've got your standard roast dinner, which comes with carrots, cauliflower, green beans, roast potatoes, mashed potatoes, stuffing, Yorkshire pudding, homemade gravy, and then desserts.
I'm going to have pork and beef.
They're desserts. There's a Bailey's cheesecake. Now I can tell you from experience, the Bailey's cheesecake will be absolutely banging. Just to show you the measures, that's brandy and coke. That's a whiskey and that's a brandy. And so we've all ordered mains. What you gone for, Holly?
Mains, I went for beef and pork.
Beef and pork, and your starter was the soup. Pumpkin soup. Jack's got bread and aioli for a starter, and then beef and
turkey.
turkey.
Turkey and pork.
Turkey and pork as well. Sarah?
Turkey.
Sarah's gone for turkey.
With mint sauce, just for Joe.
With mint sauce. Oh, look at that, it's my double chin. So I've gone for the soup to start with.
Maybe you shouldn't have.
Okay. Gone for the soup to start with, and then we've gone for turkey and gammon for the main, so roast dinner, and then 3 portions of the cheesecake. So when you come in here, first thing you order is the cheesecake because it always sells out, but it's amazing. So today it is actually Bailey's cheesecake, which will be absolutely proper dirty but amazing. And Sarah's even gone for a pudding because they've got carrot cake on. So Sarah's gone for the carrot cake for pudding as well. So we'll show you what they're like when they turn up. Right, so starters have turned up, and that is the cream of pumpkin soup. It looks absolutely amazing. It smells gorgeous.
Thank you.
These guys have just gone for red aioli because there wasn't anything they fancied on there.
Because we're awkward.
Because you what? Awkward? Never. So, first time I've had pumpkin soup. Normally, we go for like a butternut squash soup or whatever, but the pumpkin soup, and they put pumpkin seeds on it as well. Absolutely amazing. Such a nice flavour. The only problem is you get a bucket of it. So, you need about 20 minutes, half hour between then, like your starters and your mains, just to let it settle down because there's so much of it, but it is so good. So our roasts have turned up. They're all pretty much standard roast dinner really, but I've got gammon and turkey. I think, what did you go for? Pork? Pork and beef.
Shearer was always up there as well.
Yeah, but you don't actually know him. And Sarah just went for the turkey, and Jack, you went for turkey and pork, yeah?
Look at that crackling.
Sarah's doing the dodgy thing. Extra gravy because her roast dinner has to backstroke through the gravy.
Yours alright?
So everyone's had their roast dinners. It's like that thing out of the Munsters. Halloween was a little... That's what I have to put up with. Being the creative and all that, and you have to put up with them. What am I saying? Anyway, right, so we've all had roast dinners. Absolutely beautiful. Mine was great. No, that won't be cut out, that'll be left in there. So, Holly, how was your roast dinner?
Fantastic.
Cool.
And you don't like roast dinner?
I don't eat roast dinners at all.
Doesn't eat roast dinners.
Well, I ate everything except the cauliflower and the spuds because I don't like them anyway.
Normally.
Cool. Jack?
Everything.
Jack demolished all of this.
Muy bueno.
And it was all very good. So yeah, roast dinners, a definite plus for the roast dinners here at the Marina Bar.
Absolutely.
Like a couple of old fishwives yakking away.
You're alright.
That looks nice. She didn't hear me, she could see me watching. I was like this. Oh, I hope he grabs two.
Now that is an absolute work of art. It's a Bailey's cheesecake with all the trimmings, bits and pieces. Jack's gone for...
Cheesecake.
What kind of cheesecake? Marks and Spencer's extra special 21-day matured finest cheesecake.
Exact same as you.
Bailey's, rather.
It's Bailey's and it's the same as yours.
No fun. What can I say? What have you gone for?
Cheesecake.
You've gone for the Bailey's cheese.
Just do.
I don't know, Jack, have you?
What, you having it with? Just cake.
Just the
That
carrot.
means I've got to eat that.
Oh, sorry,
Shame.
mate. Take one for the two.
It's dough. Holly's gone for the cheesecake as well. The previous clip we'll cut out. Jack's gone for the cheesecake as well.
I've got the eyebrow on the t-shirt.
I've gone for the cheesecake. Sarah's still laughing. Oh my God.
Is she gonna spit?
No, but she might wee.
Is it still there?
So
Very
Sarah's
funny.
actually
I got
gone.
what you meant then.
Sarah's gone for the cheesecake. Oh my God. These two. Holly.
Vicar.
Poor blimey, governor. You're just as bad.
It's the heat. I can't.
I'm just trying to enjoy.
Yeah. Poor old Jack just wants his cheesecake.